Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to start page numbers on different pages in Word. So guys, first thing that you will do is place the cursor at the beginning of the page and then go to layout over here and go to breaks. And now just simply go for next page, guys. And from here, just go to insert. And now just simply go ahead and go for a page number. And from here, just simply select a page template or where do you want to put the page number. So I'm gonna go for bottom of the page, and from here you will have multiple options. I'm just gonna go for one over here, the plain number one. And from here, guys, just click on link to previews. And after you done that, just simply go ahead and go to page number and go to format page numbers. And from here, just click on this start at and make sure it's one and click on OK. And from here, you'll be able to start the page number at page 3. So from here, when you see this one, you can just simply erase this and you can just simply erase the other pages. But from here, as you can see, this is the page 3 and we will be able to start the page number over here. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.